Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on Wonderla Holidays. Our analyst maintains buy on Wonderla Holidays with a price target of Rs 1,137. Wonderla expects strong footfalls in the quarters ahead, aided by innovative marketing activities, event-based campaigns, addition of new attraction, and improved traction on its digital platform. The expected opening of Odisha Park in FY25 and Chennai Park in FY26 will further boost footfalls in the years to come. The company's focus on the asset-light model of entering new markets and improving business model to international standard of 60 to 40 mix between ticketing and non-ticketing revenue provides a huge scope for strong earning growth in the coming years. Stock has corrected by 16% from its recent high and is trading at 14 times FY25 and 10 times FY26 EV by EBITDA. Current weakness provides good opportunity to enter the stock. Next, we have an update on Cholamandalam Investment and Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Cholamandalam Investment and Finance with a price target of Rs 1425. The company is well poised to clock healthy AUM growth across product segment, led by strong disbursement momentum in its non-vehicle finance book. NIM is expected to remain at a healthy level, which is greater than 7% over FY26 and 25, aided by yield improvement on better product mix, repricing of fixed rate vehicles loan book and likely pick out of COB. We believe CIFC able to deliver industry-leading growth along with healthy NIM and contained cost to keep earnings trajectory upgraded. PAT is expected to grow at a CAGR of 31% over FY23 to 26. At current market price, the stock trades at price to book value of 4.5 times its FY25 and 3.6 times its FY26 estimated book value.
For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.